everyone, it's Shannon. I have partnered with FabFitFun to bring you today's video. I've actually done a couple different unboxing videos and I'll link those down in the description box below if you want to check those out. I love them. They come with full-sized fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products, and I have never been disappointed. If you're new to FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. You only get a chance to get it 4 times a year, which is actually a great thing because then it's really exciting whenever it arrives to see what's inside. It's only $49.99 per box, and they give you over $200 worth of products inside. My last unboxing video, I put it to the test, and sure enough, there was over $300 worth of product in my box. They were awesome enough to give my viewers an exclusive discount code, which is DailyEdit, and that will get you $10 off your first box. So if you're new and want to try it out, you'll get your first box for only $39.99, and it is totally worth it, guys. I am so serious. Now today I have something a little bit different. FabFitFun is offering their current fall edit sale, and as a member you get access to that, and if you become an annual member you will get early access to that. And today they've sent me a box full of goodies to show you a sampling of some of those items that you'll find in their edit sale that is going on right now. Alright, so let me jump into the box to show you all the cool things that they've sent me. The first one is this cute coffee mug. Of course you could use it for your morning coffee, but it says aloe you very much, so I think it'd be super cute if you actually planted an aloe vera plant in here and used it as decor. The next item is a skincare product. It is by Skin Authority, and it is an instant perfect peel pad. So there's all kinds of pads on here that you can clean your face with and make it nice and refreshed and renewed. And the next item is another beauty product, and I love lip scrubs. They are so awesome to use. And this one is by Sarah Happ, and it is pink peppermint. So my daughter actually has some really nice lip scrubs, and I'll sometimes go up and take some of hers and use hers. But now I can have my own, which is really nice. And it literally is pink. And you just get a little bit on your finger and rub it on your lips. Kind of smush your lips together, and it exfoliates your lips, makes them nice and hydrated, especially if you use a lot of lipsticks and stuff. This is really nice for that, or even like during the winter time when your lips get really dried out. This stuff is really nice to use. And here is a really nice body butter, which is by Seraphine Botanicals. It is not tested on animals. It is non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free. And this one is scented in passion fruit and mango. Definitely smells really good. You just rub it into your hands, use it as a body butter, and it feels really nice and keeps your hands moisturized and smooth. I was excited to see some jewelry in here too, so you can find jewelry in their edit sale right now. And the 2 items that they sent me, one are these gorgeous earrings. You guys know I love earrings. I love big earrings, and I wear them all the time, and these are so pretty and beautiful. I can't wait to wear these. The other jewelry item is a really pretty necklace by Wanderlust Co., and it's this super cute gold heart, and I think I'm actually gonna wear this now because it will match my outfit really nicely. So let me show you how pretty this little dainty necklace is. I really like the length of it too. So that's staying on. I'm gonna wear that all day. I was really excited to see this item in the box as well. It is a tech item actually, and it's by Whoosh. It says it's tech hygiene, so it's got a spray and a cloth in there so you can clean your cell phones, your tablets. It says it is safe for all screens. Now I love essential oils. I use them all the time, so I was really excited to see this product. It's a Therapy Room Boost, and it's actually got essential oils in it. So it's a root spray, but it has distilled water with organic essential oils like lavender, bergamot, lemon. It has chamomile. So this is oh my gosh, it's in a beautiful bottle. Look at this gorgeous pink bottle. And It's got a cute little sprayer on top. Oh my gosh, it smells so good too. I can't wait to use this. Another item in my box are these memory, concentration, and alert boosting pills. So these are by a brand called Accelerol, and it says that they last up to 6 hours. And last, I was saving this for last because I saw it and thought, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It is a blanket or a scarf, or you could use it for a tablecloth. It is by the brand Ms. Maya or Ms. Maya, and it has some gorgeous colors, especially with it being fall. This would be so pretty to wear, or you could even use it for a sarong. So lots of different things you can use this for, but I just thought it was gorgeous. Love the colors. Now these items, because they're in the fall edit sale, they do sell out really quickly, so you want to make sure you head over as soon as you can to check them out. If you're not an annual member, you can upgrade now so you get early access. And if you're not yet subscribed to the FabFitFun box, you can do that with the coupon code DailyEdit, and I will link that down below, and that will save you $10 off your first box. Like I said, I really enjoy subscription boxes. It's always fun to see what comes, and everything is usually for me, and I don't usually splurge on myself. So these are just fun items that you can use for yourself, kind of pamper yourself a little bit, and not feel guilty about it because you're getting a huge savings. So don't forget to check the link that I'll have down in the description box below. Thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye everyone.